Hey guys, it's Eileen from Loving Plants. I am outside in my garden today. Most of my content has always been about houseplants, but I have so many things growing. I wanted to show you specifically the tomatoes we have growing here in South Jersey. We are zone 7A. It's the end of June. Come see the growth. It's awesome. Look at these San Marzanos. They're absolutely beautiful. They are plump. Coming up here a little bit. There's another set starting right there. And San Marzano is amazing for pizzas, for any type of sauces. So we have those growing. And then we have two, this one here, this plant, and this plant. But this plant has the big beefsteak tomato on them. Look at that. That looks awesome. And the Brandywine tomato, it's one of our favorite varieties to grow. My husband, this has always been his favorite, and he's grown them for a couple years. This is the first time I've really ventured into a vegetable garden, so I'm so excited to see that for slicing. And here we have another San Marzano. So another one, or a couple that we did from seed, are these super sweet 100s, and this is doing fantastic. Now again, it's been raining like crazy, which probably is helping. We have a bunch of little baby tomatoes here and here. That's so cool. And look at all those in here. So super sweet 100s are supposed to be really, really prolific. Oh, wow. I just saw some on this outer edge setting in. So this is our biggest plant. And then our second biggest is this one here. You can tell we love our tomatoes. And again, they all have their little fruit sets on them. And so let me take you over here. That's one more super sweet 100 that we planted from seed, and that's the smaller of the bunch, but still has some tomatoes forming already. And look at that bee pollinating, and it's starting to rain again. Oh, all right. Let me pick this up later. Okay, so the sun is actually out, so let me come back here again. I wanted to show you guys these right here. These were starts that we bought from our local nursery. These are the Sun Sugar, and they were much smaller when we bought them compared to the ones that we grew ourselves. But we are finally getting some little guys in there. So that was very exciting to see. And these are cherry tomatoes. So I'm going to come over here and show you our cherries. We also have Sun Gold. Now, these were also our local nursery. It took us a bunch of tries to find these. These are very popular. They're supposed to be like candy. But I see them on there. See them on there. I see them on here. Can't believe how sunny it is right now. All right, and then this was the last variety we found at our local nursery, which is called the Black Cherry Tomato. And I just saw that we have some on here. So I'm very happy that they're really all doing great. And as these get their color and we're able to harvest them and taste them, I'm going to bring to you guys some of our taste tests of the different varieties. And it's a little overview here of our garden beds here. And so I'll show some more things with our garden. And there's our babies, our little babies. And if you want more chicken videos, I'll link our other channel below, Bates Photography, and you can see a bunch of these babies. So thanks for joining me today, guys, and it's good to be back, and I'll see you in the next one.